Hello everyone, my name's Ali. This is a Flavours of Light channel on YouTube, and today we want to share a special fruitarian recipe, which is what we like to call a fruitarian soup. So it's not necessarily a juice or a smoothie, but it's something in between. What we love about this is it strictly uses fruits, what we're designed to eat, and it's very hydrating, and it's very aromatic and delicious and very fragrant. I'd say we're tasting notes of citrus, flowers, and just paradise in your mouth. So it's as simple as what we're going to use here is a conscious bowl. So we're just going to use a coconut that we drank today, a young coconut. We have a passion fruit, purple dragon from Indonesia, and local Balinese tangerines. So what we're going to simply do is we're not even going to use any tools here rather than just a small filter, a teaspoon, and a knife. And as simple as this. If we just start with the clementines here, and we just juice this directly into the coconut. What you can also use is sometimes we use just a spoon to juice. And if you're traveling, this is as easy as juicing can be. You don't need to always necessarily travel with a juicer, because raw coconuts and citrus juices will take you a long way. And to do citrus, all you need is a knife and a spoon. So we got these clementines today, 3 kilo for about, I'd say $1.50. It's about £1.20. So literally gonna filter the clementine juice into the coconut. You can also use some of the coconut water, that would be smart, but I was extremely thirsty and I finished it all. Just scoop one passion fruit inside. There we go. Mix that around a bit. And then what we're going to literally do is finish off with something that's extremely high in water and has a beautiful color. So I'm just going to dice this dragon fruit because it's easier to mix when I scoop it into the coconut bowl. You could just push it and scoop out the interior. Pitaya is a fantastic fruit because it's extremely high in water and it's easy to digest, which is exactly what we want. We're on the detox path. So if you look at this concoction here, you literally just take your spoon and just gently mash this up. You can mix this around and you can choose how much you want to make the consistency as close to a smoothie as possible. And for us, it's worth the investment of time. We enjoy just gently scooping this, and you can just, if you're not satisfied with the amount of citrus, you can just squeeze more on top. If you want to add a bit more astringent power into this, if you have a lime, you could just squeeze that in too, not too much. And sometimes we actually like to add in mangosteen, but if you keep it simple, it's better. So the recipe as it is enough. And I'm just going to give this a taste test. You get the notes of citrus, the delicious flavor of the pitaya, and the fragrance of the passion fruit all in one spoon. And this is a delicious, colorful fruits to regenerate yourself on and hydrate yourself and clean yourself out. So hopefully you can make this if you come out to the tropics.